streets, it is Steve, and it is another Tip Tuesday. Today's Tip Tuesday is on personal grooming. I am so excited to be doing this video, not because it's my Tip Tuesday, but you know, I'm older now, and I was a little nervous actually to do this video, but people have actually asked me on my Instagram account, Elite Fitness with Steve, if I had, you know, what I use for skincare stuff. And I have a huge birthday coming up in September, and if you can guess my age right now, question mark, guess my age right now, put a comments below. How old do you think I'm going to be? Whether you think I'm going to be 58, 60, 45. Guess what my birthday is going to come. And I was going to wait to the end of the video to do, to tell you all my age, but I'm just going to tell you now, I'm going to be 50 years old. 50, half a century in September. And it was funny. So my wife, I was leaving this morning, and there was a box on our stone wall, and she's like, "Oh, what's that box?" And I looked at it, I'm like, she said, "I know what that box is." She got me a gift. So Jack Black. So before I start this video, I'm not sponsored by the products that I'm telling you what I use. Just so you know, this is just the stuff to use. So I am going to have a live opening of this. So my wife she said, you know, why don't you do a Tip Tuesday on personal grooming? I'm like, yeah, I could. It has nothing to do with fitness, but Tip Tuesday, I can do anything because it's a Tip Tuesday. That's why I love Tip Tuesday, because it doesn't have to be on fitness, you know. So anyways, I don't know what's in this box. So at the end of the video, I'm going to open this up. She said to me that there's products here that you don't even use that I want you to try. So a little bit about me. So I met my wife back in 1990. Oh yeah, and she was an esthetician. Back at that point, I'm Italian. So what I used for my skin, I used to just wash my face with soap. My dad's like, "Use soap for everything." And then you know, if we go out to the beach, my mom would be like, "You gotta put olive oil on your face." So this is the stuff that I grew up with. But I was fortunate enough to marry a beautiful woman, and she's more beautiful today. I'm telling you, man, I got lucky. And she's an esthetician, but so she worked for a few skincare companies. Now she has been blessed where she's creating a new skincare line for medical use, and I'm very proud of her. But so being with an esthetician, you learn a lot about skincare whether you want to or not, because that's what she's going to talk about all the time. And I picked up a lot of stuff, and I think I've surprised a lot of people. When I was younger, to wear skincare products, any type of products on your face, was really frowned on. I've had jobs where I've worked landscaping or construction. They'd be like, "You're doing what?" And you really got razzed on for doing that. But I did it anyways because I didn't care. And to this day, I don't care what people think, and that's a great way to live. And being 50, I'm more comfortable. I feel I'm just in the best shape of my life. And I wasn't lying to you guys when I was saying that I have 30 years experience doing fitness, because I will be 50. And that's why I love doing this YouTube channel. I love sharing with you guys the workout routines that I have, the mistakes I made, just to help you all out. And as you get older, you just want to continue to help people. And that's what this channel is all about. So getting into it, what do I do for my skincare regimen? I'm going to tell you. So the first thing I do, when I'm in the shower, I use a face cleaner. And First Aid Beauty, again, I'm not sponsored by them, but this is what I use. Fabs has an amazing face cleaner, so when I'm in the shower, I don't use soap anymore. I clean my face. So this is the first thing I do. I'm in the shower. Then when I come out, here's a Jack Black product. I use one of these power peels, and basically you don't use this every day. You don't want to dry out your skin. You just use the peel on your face, and up here I get like really blackheads around here, and oil, like breakout out here, like bumps if I don't use this stuff. So this is what I use first. Twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, depending on what's going on. I will use the power peel pad. Then I'll use, because I'm going to be 50, I've been using, for a long time actually, I've been using an eye product, and I've been using an eye product for years. And so this is just for the eye. You put it around the eye first, and that's what I'll use. This is for like crow's feet or deep wrinkles, which I've been pretty blessed to have good skin because of my skincare regime. Then I use this one. This is like a skin serum. I put this on next. This is from Jack Black, and basically this is for the whole face that I use it on. And this is for has a lot of peptides in it. So this is a really good product just for again, for fine lines. This is all an anti-aging. If you're like me and you're hitting half a century, this is what you use. On the link below, I'll put down the First Aid Beauty site. You guys can check it out. And then Jack Black's site. And the last, I'll use a moisturizer at the very end, which is really important for me because like I will get breakouts on the top if I don't use that. So, some word of advice, don't shave your face and use your power peel. I've done that. Not a good thing to do. It burns. So that's another tip I have for you. So anyways, beyond working out and hydrating, eating clean, I never got into the alcohol and drug thing. Just was never really interested in it. And I think for me that's paid dividends in my life of how I'm going to be 50. And I feel pretty amazing. And people that I've known who've taken that other route, they're not doing too well. And so if you're younger right now and you're watching my channel and you're subscribing to me and you're helping get to that 1,000 subscribers, take care of your body, because what you do in your 20s is going to pay dividends or not really help you out when you're older like me. And I've always done a route of just taking care of the body because I did have a sick childhood. I learned really early that your body, you got one body, take care of it. So yes, you have fun, but just try to stay as clean as you can. And so anyway, so that's my skincare regime. So now I am pumped to be opening this up. I am so excited. This is such a great year. Not only, so my wife and I, we have a big 28-year together, but our 23-year anniversary married coming up in September. I got my 50th. I'm going to Las Vegas in August to celebrate that with my brothers. But I'm opening a box right now, a Jack Black box. So I hope it's not like ruined here. Oh man. Hold on. All right, let's see what we got here. We got packaging. Get all rid of this all stuff. Good little card. Dear Steve, thank you. No, just kidding. So thank you for your order, Jack Black. All right, all right. You're welcome, Jack Black. Oh, samples. Samples are always good. Energizing scrub, daily face cleaner. All right, I got the First Aid Beauty, but I'll try this out. They give you little samples. That's pretty smart. All right, I'm not going to open this. Let's see what this one is. Is this crazy that I'm doing a live? Or should I brought my, like a knife set? Okay. Let's see what we got in this first box here. All right. Almost. Ooh. Yes. Turbo Wash. Oh, yes. Energizing cleanser for hair and body. Yes. Turbo Wash. Thanks, Steph. I'm going to use that. I'm pretty excited. Ooh, what is this? Gym bag deluxe set? Are you kidding me? Get this out of the way. Gym bag deluxe set. Look at it, I'm like sweating because I'm so excited. Look at this. Alright, this is cool. Check this out. It's got like a little pouch here if you have a towel. Let's see what they got for products. Alright, first one is Dry Down friction-free powder. Oh yeah. So some of the clients that I train will get the chafing in their legs, and this would probably be what that you could use. Oh yeah, cornstarch, lavender, and organic green tea. Yes, Dry Down. Definitely going to try that or share that with some of my clients. All over wipes, face and body. This is probably something that you would just use maybe after you work out on your face to cool down. Pretty nice. Dragon Ice pain relieving cream. Oh man, I'm telling you, I don't think there is a day that I am not like in breakdown mode. My body's always sore. All right, I'll try this. This is pretty neat. What else is in this kit? Hand healer. All right, I'll try this. First Aid Beauty makes a concentrate that I use, but I'll try this. It's got vitamin A and E. Hand healer. Maybe after doing all those deadlifts, your hands just become shredded. I know that feeling. Turbo Wash. All right, well, there you go. Turbo Wash, smaller one when I go to the rink. I'll probably use that one. What else is in here? It is a antiperspirant deodorant. Pit Boss. Well, that's pretty cool. So what is this called? All right, Gym Bag Deluxe Set. Well, there you go. Gym Bag Deluxe Set by Jack Black. Complimented my gorgeous wife. Man, I tell you right now, I am so blessed. I love doing this YouTube channel. I do this for fun. It's a blast. Sometimes I get nervous. I'm not going to lie to you when I'm like sharing some parts of myself. Because when you're in social media, you know, you get sometimes you get the crazies. But anyways, if you're interested in my Instagram, go to my Elite Fitness with Steve, and that's all _elite_fitness with Steve, whatever. And I'm also on Twitter, and the same thing with Facebook, Elite Fitness with Steve, and obviously you know my YouTube channel. Hit like if you like this video. I hope I helped you. Hope I made you laugh. Show you some great products that I'm not sponsored with, by the way. Someday maybe. Jack Black, if you're out there, or First Aid Beauty, maybe you'll sponsor me. But you have to hit 1,000 subscribers first before you get sponsored by anybody. So hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I will see you real soon. I'm working on another workout video. Actually, I can't do it yet. But once I master it down, I will show you. And that's what I do with my workout videos. I actually try to challenge myself that I can't even do it. And I'll get it down, and then to the point where I can show you how to do it. So I have at some time this week, I have a crazy week. People who know me and know my son, band Victim of Circumstance, they're releasing an album, an EP this week. So it's a crazy week for one of my children. And they're the ones that do the opening music. But incredible band. If you want to check out Victim of Circumstance, they are up and coming. They're a younger band, but they will blow you away. They have an EP release party coming up. So I'm just plugging everybody today. Oh my God, I just did. So this is Elite Fitness with Steve. I will see you real soon. Take care. Peace.